We are starting Unit 2 today. And so we're going to start with a little activity in which we're trying to find some balancing techniques using algebraic thinking. So first and foremost, let's read the directions on this activity. Miss Pint is a geologist and has a laboratory full of rocks. She knows that each rock weighs exactly 1 pound, and she would like to figure out how many rocks are in each box. For each scale, there are the same number of rocks in each box. Okay, so that seems kind of important. Without opening the boxes, Miss Pint places boxes and rocks on a scale until they are balanced. Use the pictures below to determine how many rocks are in each box. Okay, so what I'm seeing here, right, is each of these rocks is got to be equal to 1 pound. 1 pound, 1 pound, 1 pound, 1 pound. Okay, we've got 1 and 1. And the other thing that we know is if we know that there are the same number of rocks in each box, whatever is in this box, right, say it's 5 rocks, I don't know. But if there are 5 in here, then there have to be 5 in here and 5 in here. Right, so I could do that, right? I could guess. I could say 5 in here, which would be 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, so 9. 5 and 5, 10, 11, 12. So 9 and 12, that wouldn't be balanced. Okay, so it's not going to be 5. I could try 4, right? 4 in here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 8. 4 and 4 would be 8, 9, 10. Right, so I could keep doing that. Or I could use a little bit of algebraic thinking and start saying to myself, well, if I know these rocks are sitting out here, right? There's 2 that I can see and some in each of these boxes I can't see. And on this side, there's 4 that I can see. Well, can't I think about how these 2 are exactly equal to these 2, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take these 2 rocks off the scale, and to keep it equal, to keep it balanced, I'm going to take these 2 off as well. Okay, so that leaves me with 1 mystery box. There's some amount of rocks in here, and then there's 2 rocks left over. And now there's 2 boxes over here. But if I think about the fact that if there's the same number of rocks in each box, well, I'm going to take off this box on this end and this box on this end, because if I take off 2 boxes, it'll stay equal. And what do I have left when I do that? Well, it looks like I've got this 1 box and then 2 rocks. And it kind of looks to me like, well, if that's going to be balanced, it looks like in this first one, each of those boxes must have 2 rocks inside. Well, let's check that. So if I'm thinking about the fact that this is still 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 over here, if I've got 2 in here, then that's total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. If there's 2 in here and 2 in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, looks like there's 6 on each side.